Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, look forward to sharing with you this Veapoot air inflator that was sent to me to put to the test. And I just got a new scooter, which timing was perfect. So look forward to demonstrating that to you and look forward to diving in and sharing with you what's included, a few specs, and the demonstration. So let's get right into it. This is obviously the packaging, get that out of the way. And what's nice, by the way, as you can see, it can be used not only for car tires, bicycles, again, electric scooter, can use balls, or if you have other things that you want to inflate, you might go into the pool. So a number of different ways that you can use it, which is also shows on this sheet here. And then you got this little manual as well. So you got that information there. With the tire inflator, it also comes with a 20-volt battery, which is nice. So you're not stuck with having to use any cables, unless of course the battery dies. So this looks like a drill, feels like a nice quality product. And then you've got your connector. Now, in this kit here that it comes with, it's got this foam material, so it keeps it protected. You've got a wall charger for the battery, and then you also have power plug, which I think is about 13 feet, enough to cover all 4 tires that you can plug right into your car. So if the battery dies, you have that. And then you also have a number of other connectors. So again, depending upon what you're trying to inflate. Obviously, 4 tires, you're probably most cars, you're gonna have this type of connection. Now, if you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find any value, then click that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Then click the subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos just like this one. Let me just share a few specs. This is a high capacity 20 volt rechargeable 10,000 milliamp lithium ion battery. And in case, as I shared with you, it does come with that cable. It does say 13.1 feet. DC 12 volt power cord. It can provide maximum pressure of 160 PSI. It does have 4 different types of pressure units: PSI, bar, KPA, kg/C. I don't know what those are. It also has, which they talk about for the kind of number of charges for use. It says it can do 4 times for a car, 13 times for a motorcycle, 17 times for a road bike, and 86 times for a ball. So that will give you some of the specs. Now, couple of things you have here. This is your trigger, and this is what activates it when you turn it on. And this up here doesn't do anything. Then on the back, you've got your display, which I'll show you closer up here in a moment of what that looks like. But basically, what you're going to do is press this middle button, and then it's going to light up the display. Now, once it's on, and you get all your settings, and again, I'll move closer up so you can see the display, but you press the button, and you can, and the trigger gets it going. So what you have here is you've got 3 buttons. This would be adjusting, these 2 would be adjusting the button, and this would be adjusting depending upon if you want which setting you want. So I'm gonna put it back to PSI. Now, if I want to go ahead and set it for a higher setting, I could press that. Now it's flashing, and you can adjust that there quickly and easily. And then of course you can jump back to that setting, and then it stops, and it will also auto shut off. So once you've got your setting, you press the button, again, the nozzle. You press the trigger, and that gets it going. Again, you've got the battery, which can recharge. The other thing which is nice as well, as you can see here, you have a light, and so when you are working on that area, you can see, especially if it's at night, which is kind of nice. And again, you can easily also turn this off by unplugging the battery. It turns it off. Now sometimes I notice it does light it back up, but it will auto shut off. And then back here, you've got your battery indicator. You press that, and there you go, and hold that in. Shows you how much battery life is remaining. Okay, I have gone ahead and taken the air out of the tire. So first of all, you want to get that setting to what you want it to be. So I have it set for 50 PSI. Make sure this is on tight, And then you can go ahead, connect this to the tire, make sure it's connected on well. And then you press and hold the button, press it in once, the trigger, and then it would do its thing. Here we go. And that's it. Now you're done. Take it off the tire, and you can see the air pressure is now filled back up in the tire. Very quick and easy. So there you go. It works well from what I got to test. Again, I know it's only the scooter, but once you go to the link in the description as well as in the comment section, you will be able to see other people testing it different ways. People will be testing it with their kart tires, so you can see that demonstration. But I think it's a nice value. Again, it's great that you have the ability to use it with or without a cable connector for power. And so it seems like you're gonna get some pretty good battery life out of the unit, and you can see it just shut off. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I appreciate the company sending it to me. Without trying to sound salesy here, I do think that, again, this is a nice value for the money, and it seemed to work well for my use when I tried it with my scooter, and it seems that other people are finding it's working well with their cars and other items that they've used it with. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.